Okay, we are going to take a look at the app called Splice. It's created by the GoPro company. I'm going to start a new project. If you have them organized by your photos by different types of events, which I have, you can select the ones you want to use. Just choose a bunch of them really quick here. If you realize, hey, that's not one that I want to use, you can just re-click on it and it goes away. When you're happy, you'll see that top right corner there's an 8. That's how many pictures I have. I'm going to go ahead and hit add. Here you can choose a variety of different musics that is pre-populated. So I'm going to go here. You can sample them by pressing play. You might have to let it load. As you can see on the top, it's working on downloading. We're just going to assume that I like that one, so I'm going to select it just by clicking the name. Here you can change the name of the project. Call it Family Farm. If I want to change the format, background color, if I want to change the transition for each of the pictures, I have the ability to do that. Same with the duration of that and how long you want to take the photos to look at. Outro simply means kind of an advertisement for the GoPro camera. Photo motions, Ken Burns is the zooming effect. So I'm happy. I hit done. It creates it. So I can play my movie. And you'll see that, hey, I have some heads chopped off. I'll have to fix that. That's what happens with the Ken Burns effects from time to time. I actually have quite a few that I need to fix, so I'm going to go back. We'll just fix this one. Say edit photo. Here's you can change the different types of filters if you want it to look a little bit different. And go a little more sepia. On top right bottom corner, I can change. This is where the Ken Burns effect takes place. So I can use 2 fingers, zoom, take this one, let's go ahead and go like that. So now when I play it, it's going to look so I can see everybody's face. On the next icon, if you do want to add some words, you're going to be able to do that. You can change the different colors of it as well. Just say hello, done. You can move them around, so that's kind of handy. If you want to have this picture last a little bit longer, there's a clock, and then again you have the filters. I'm done, hit the back button, and now I have that one fixed. If you want to change the audio, you can actually add your own voice recordings. You can add some more audio if you wish. For music, if you happen to have your own, you can add that. When you are happy, top right corner you have the share button. Here's your different options. We are just going to hit save, and we're just going to go for speed-wise, hit medium, and then it's exporting the video, and then it's successful. And that is how you use Splice. You can always go back, and there's my video again, and then that is all.